Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel. So I'll be showing you how to link your PoE switch NVR to your mobile phone. Now you need to link this to your Wi-Fi box or to your Starlink. This is Starlink. So if you connect it successfully, this offline is going to indicate online. This is it, and this is it. That is the number. So now let me show you something from the settings. Click on OK. Now your network here, you see device. This is the cloud IP. It shows that it's offline. Now when it comes to your default router, this one is LAN 1 and LAN 2. So you need to assign it to your port 1, your LAN 1 or your LAN 2. And I've already assigned it here. So we need to just connect this cable, network cable, directly to our Starlink. So let's connect it and we'll see what is written there. If the status leave from offline to online. So it's connected. So automatically the service leave from online to offline. Let me disconnect it. You see, just watch at that. You will see something very important, but you need to reboot before you change. You understand? So I'm connecting it back. I'm sure. Let's see, apply. Let's click on apply. Another change. Okay, let's go back to our settings, network. So I'm connecting it. It's connected. It's online. Now the next step, now you have to scan a QR code from here. You have to scan a QR code. This QR code to download it. Yeah. So after doing that, you apply. Now let's go back to confirm if we can connect that to our mobile phone. So after scanning that code, you need to go to your App Store, Apple Store, and download the app, which is Situn. Now enter the application. I'm sorry I did not do that. I did not record that. After that, you have to link that device. I'm sorry also I could not, from the first start, I could not do the proper screen record. I deleted that video, so I could not retrieve it. So after, but it's not that way difficult. You need to just scan that QR code there, and it's going to load. It's going to enter your mobile phone. So those are the cameras. So thanks for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, please do so and subscribe. Share this video so that your friend can also learn and watch, and comment. Thank you.